y'all! The secret's out. IPSY's August icon box is by none other than me.
I thought it was the icon box by Chrissy, Teigen, and John Legend.
I was just about to say your name.
With our busy schedules, we live for family time at home. It's not always glamorous, but finding moments to take care of ourselves and each other is so important. And Chrissy, well, she's the queen of pampering.
Honestly, you take way longer in the bathroom. Your end of the night thing routine is a lot. You take my robes, you take my products.
I gotta keep my face camera ready too.
Okay, well that's why we love Icon Box. It has everything I need to get dolled up for going out, but it's also full of amazing self-care products for a date night in with your one and only.
By moi, she means me.
Of course. So go to IPSY.com to sign up for my Icon Box. My Icon Box.
Our icon box.
Yes, go to IPSY.com to sign up for our Icon Box before it sells out, and keep checking IPSY's social media channels for the juiciest product leaks.
Ours.
It's yours now.